Oh my god. Oh, nearly just dropped you guys. Sorry. Hi everyone, so today I'm showing you my everyday makeup look, which is already done. I almost forgot to film the intro, so that's why the makeup's already done. So yeah, I'm just gonna get straight into the video and I will see you at the end. Bye. Okay, so starting off with face, I'm using 3CE's Back to Baby BB cream, or is it foundation? Yes, BB cream. Has SPF 35. So I'm just gonna apply some on my hand. Then using my Real Technique sponge, I'm just gonna apply it on the face. So it's very light coverage BB cream, which is more like natural. So I'm not actually putting a lot on, just so it just covers up my redness and everything. Okay, for concealer, I am going in with my Collection's Lasting Perfection in Fair 1. I believe this is the lightest one. So I'm just going to apply that under the eyes, just to cover those bags and like on any blemishes that I have. Might just do it on my T-zone as well. And blend it in with the sponge as well. Again, then moving on to powder, I'm using lately the Revlon Colorstay pressed powder in translucent. Yeah, and I'm just going to use my Eco Tools brush, just pat that all on to my face. And then with the contouring, kind of like shading my face a bit, because right now it just looks like nothing. So I'm going in with my Anastasia's contour kit in light, and I'm just going to go in with this shade in the middle and just like bronze up my face a little bit using this Real Techniques multitask brush. I'm not really like contouring, I'm more just like bronzing up the face a bit, and just to give my face a bit more colour. Using that same shade in the middle, I'm just going to use this brush from my Urban Decay's palette. I'm just going to contour my nose because you guys know I have a flat nose, so I'm just going to sharpen that up a bit. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm going in with this 3CE multi-eye colour palette in the palette Smoother, and this one is the matte, all matte shade palette. There's 3 in this collection. I've got the other one, it's got more like shimmeries in it, but this one's all matte, so it'll look more natural. So I'm just going to apply this middle yellowish shade all over the lid first, just to give it that base layer and just like correct my skin, my eyelid skin tone, I don't know, making it all one shade. And then I'm going in with this orangey brown colour here on the side, and this is going on the outer corner. I'm not really bringing it too high, I'm just like applying it where my little crease is here, like at the corner. and just like rubbing it in, creating some depth. And then lastly, taking that darkest shade here, like I'm just like tapping it once. It's so pigmented, this like palette. So I'm just applying this on top, kind of creating a little wing. So I'm like extending it a little bit more out. Once all that is applied, I'm taking a clean blending brush and just blend that all over. And I haven't been putting any shadows under my eyes, just mascara. So I'm just going to leave my bottom bit of my eye blank with no shadow. So just gently buff all that in together. Okay. And then moving on to mascara. You're probably thinking, Steph, you've missed out your brows. I know, I'm going to do that last because I'm not going to do it on camera because you've seen me do it a million times already. So I'm just doing all the stuff that, yeah. So with eyeliner, I'm using Collections 24 Hour Felt Tip in brown. A bit more natural than black. Always go for brown. So I'm not really going too over the top with eyeliner. I'm literally just extending my natural eye shape, just like a little bit. And then for mascara today, I'm going in with my Maybelline, the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara in waterproof. Like all my mascaras are waterproof because they keep my eyelashes up. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that. Also, I'm going to apply some on the bottom lashes as well. And for blush today, again with the 3CE, I'm going in with the Rose Beige shade in this collection. With highlight, I'm using Jefree Starr's Cosmetic Skin Frosting Crystal Ball, just because I haven't actually used this as often as I want to, so I'm just going to use it for today's tutorial. Just apply some on top and bring it to the brow bone. Also on the bridge of the nose, and then a little bit on the lip. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly come back after I've done my brows. And now that eyebrows are done, I use my trusty Dipbrow Anastasia Dipbrow. That's what I meant. And now onto the lips and the final step. And I have been using this every day. And this is the Velvet Lip Tint by 3CE. And it's in the shade Near and Dear. This is just a really natural pinky salmon-y colour, I guess. It's kind of similar to my lip shade. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really surprised with how quickly I did that. I did that in less than 20 minutes. I started at 5 and now it's 5:19. Huh? So I can do my makeup in less than half an hour. That's never been done. But yeah, awesome. And it kind of looks decent as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, do give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video.